girl, young girl. You know you're worth more than anything in this world.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you guys requested, I'm going to show you guys how to create a half cut crease. Perfect video for beginners. So if you guys want to see how I achieve this look, then just continue to watch. Alright, so as you know, we are starting off by priming our lids. I'm taking my L'Oreal Infallible Full Wear Concealer and I'm just going to dab that in with my blending brush. I did set my eyelids as well, but you will not see the clip, so I just want to get that out there. So yeah, we're gonna use our Huda Beauty Nude Rich palette, and I'm just gonna dip into that reddish brick shade, and that I'm gonna use as my transition color. And I'm just gonna place that right above my natural crease. And what you want to do is just use windshield wiper motions as well as circular motions at the same time to blend it out. Then we want to go in with a darker shade. I did take a deep brown, and we're going to place that right under the brick red that I placed as my transition color. And you always want to use a dark eyeshadow because that kind of carves out your crease. So as you can see, I'm going back in with the red just to make sure those two colors just blend well together. So now we are cutting the crease. You want to grab a concealer and a flat brush and figure out where your crease is. Here you guys could see that I'm showing you where my crease is, and what you want to do is follow the line, follow the line of your natural crease. So you always want to keep looking up and just making sure that you are following that line, and you want to just take your time doing it, guys. This took me a while to learn, but I'm like, trust me, you guys will get it if you keep going at it. And another thing is you want to make sure your brush is super like thin, like flat. My brush got really flat by just using concealer a lot, but there are some super flat brushes that you can get. So that's a major tip, because if your brush is fluffy, you're not going to get that precise line. So make sure that your brush is super flat. And as you can see, I'm basically just carving out my crease and then just filling in all of that lid space. And you can always make your crease bigger. Like, it's just all up to you. So now I'm dipping into that nude shade, and we're going to put that all over that open space that I just carved out. And just to get the color payoff, you just want to keep dipping into your palette. As you guys could see, I'm definitely getting the color payoff. So you just want to keep dipping in there. All right, so you want to go back into your deep dark shade, and you just want to blend those two colors together. You don't want any kind of line between any colors that you placed on your lids. You just want everything to look like it's flowing seamlessly. So as you guys could see, that's kind of how it looks. You could leave it like this, but I wanted a bit more, just a bit more pop to my eyes. So I added the glitter on top of that. And as you guys could see, it like just brought the whole look together. I really like that I added the glitter on top. So now I'm just gonna blend everything in again. Make sure you blend, guys. That's like the important thing. And that's about it for the eyes. I'm moving on to my liner, and I'm taking my NYX Epic Ink liner. I'm just gonna create a classic wing liner. Can I talk today? And I do have a wing liner tutorial if you guys haven't seen it yet. All right, so I'm gonna do the other eye off camera, and then we're gonna move on to the bottom portion. And I'm just taking that was the deep brown shade, and then I'm gonna use the brick shade to kind of blend it out. And that's basically it for the eyes, guys. You're gonna add your mascara, and that's it. It's super easy. I know you guys could like achieve it. Like, if you guys do recreate this look, please tag me, let me know. But yeah, that's about it. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I hope I was detailed for you guys. And that's about it. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.